Sometimes the hardest thing about chain reactions is just finding a starting point, something to build on. So here in this video, we're going to share a couple ideas to help you get going with your chain reaction machine. And the first is kind of like Mousetrap here. All the various ramps and levers and carefully balanced pieces are all leading to some cool finale piece. In this case, catching those mice. Your finale could also be something like turning on a light, closing a switch, some other action, popping a balloon, or maybe like our museum finale machines, just flinging those balls all up into the air right there. So focusing on that end result could be one way. Another thing is sort of choosing a theme, like springtime or a favorite book or game or show to build all your different pieces of your chain reactions. They all share something in common. I kind of have an idea about using all the things you might find in the museum for making a cool chain reaction machine too. But having those ideas, that sort of helps you tell a story. So we look forward to seeing what you can come up with and sharing your machines. So good luck and happy building.